Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install 7-zip on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, open your browser and search for 7-zip. Let me tell you that 7-zip is a free and open source file archiver utility software for Windows. If you are looking for a completely free archiver tool, then you can use 7-zip. Now to download, simply open the link from 7zip.org. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. Here we have different download option. To download 7zip, simply click on this download link. Here you will get all the download links of 7zip. Here we have different version of 7zip such as 7zip 19, 7zip 21.0.2 alpha, including the release date. Here you will find different version of 7zip. To download the latest version of 7zip, simply check the release date. So this is the latest version of 7zip. Simply select your operating system. We are going to download it for Windows X 64-bit operating system. So simply click on this download link under .exe type. And here you can see it is downloading. Simply open this exe file. Here we have the setup window. This is the default location where 7zip is going to install. If you have a reason to change this location, you can change by clicking on this icon, and from here you can browse your location. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then simply click on install. Here you can see it is installing. Our installation process has been completed. Now simply click on close. Now to open 7zip, simply search for 7zip. Here we have the 7zip file manager. Just right click on it, then click on open file location. Here we have the shortcut. If you want a desktop shortcut menu, then you can create by right clicking on it, then click on send to and create a desktop shortcut. Here we have the application. So simply open this application, and this is the interface of 7zip. Using this 7zip free software, you can easily extract your files, you can easily compress your files, and you can also unzip your files. And it supports all types of file archiver format. Here we have one archive file. If you want to unzip this file, simply right click on it, and here you will find 7zip option, and here we have the option to extract it. Simply extract your file. So this way you can easily download and install 7zip on Windows 10 computer. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now, see you next video.